Neha Manuk Sulu, Anshika Tiwari, Devansh Parekh. Please, be ready.
Good afternoon, everyone. This court is now in session.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today, we are standing in this courtroom to reveal not one, not two, but three truths that is destroying the life of thousands in the name of taste. They are stealing the health of our children and burdening families with diseases. Behind all this is the packaged food industry. They have enticed us all.
Your claims are quite huge, but do you have any proof?
Absolutely, my lord. The first evidence is hidden in a banana and an apple. A banana and an apple or any other natural fruit spoils with time. This is the law of nature. A month ago, we made some cookies and cakes and left them on our kitchen counter. Within a month, it is full of mold and fungus. These might look disgusting, but bacteria and fungus only grow where they can sustain life. It is normal for food to rot, but it is abnormal for food to remain unaffected over time. Here, we also have some store-bought cookies and bakes. Are you ready to see the truth? They are 6 months old. We want to question the food industry. If home-cooked food goes bad in a few days, how does your food remain fresh for so long? What's the secret? The answer to this question is hidden inside this box.
What is inside this box?
This box contains some chemicals used by the food industries in their products. This is the first truth. The packaged food industry is guilty of adding chemicals in their products, due to which bacteria and fungus do not grow on the food. Can you believe we eat the food which bacteria and fungus don't touch?
Objection! These chemicals are government approved and rumors are being spread to scare the society.
Overruled. Please continue.
Chemicals like calcium propionate and sodium benzonate are government approved, but they result in increase of insulin and risk of obesity and diabetes. Sodium benzonate is added in jams, ketchups and drinks as a preservative, but when mixed with vitamin C, causes cancer. My lord, shouldn't food give us life and nutrition? But when it shortens the life, is it still fair to call it food? Now we come to our second truth. The packaged food industry is guilty of deception. What is written on the package is not always the food, and the food is not always written on the package. Look at this almond cookies packet. The name itself contains almonds. My lord, how many almonds do you think are actually there inside this packet?
Around 20 or 25 almonds?
If you want to find out the truth, packet घुमाओ, पता लगाओ. According to the ingredient list, there is 1.8 grams of almonds in this packet. So, this 100-gram packet contains only 3 almonds. The name on the packet is fooling us. On the packet they mention nutrition, but they add colors and chemicals to make it look attractive.
Your Honor, we mention all ingredients with full transparency. We follow all the rules.
Order, order.
Sorry, my lord, hearing them talk about transparency makes me laugh. Look at these pineapple cream biscuits. They smell like pineapple, they taste like pineapple. My lord, can you check how much pineapple is really in it?
Strange. There isn't any pineapple in this at all.
Is this the transparency they were talking about?
How can they get the taste and smell of pineapple without having any real pineapple in it?
My lord, packet घुमाओ, पता लगाओ. Lab-made artificial pineapple flavors and yellow food coloring has been added to it. When candies look dull, brighten it with color. When biscuits cream tastes bland, add some essence to it. The chemicals used in the product are mentioned in the list, but the harmful effects they cause are never shown in the advertisement.
Your Honor, we only sell what people want to buy. These colorful candies, chips, biscuits and juices. They all are in great demand. And such a health threat, then why do millions of people buy them and that too again and again?
Absolutely right. This brings us to our third clue. For any business to succeed, they need a perfect target that keeps buying their products repeatedly. Who do you think could this perfect target be? Someone who doesn't question them, doesn't read labels, who they can easily manipulate. Someone so innocent that they cannot separate lies from truth. Your Honor, we now call the biggest victims of their deception, our children. Third clue. The packaging food industry is guilty of targeting our youth.
I drank so many energy drinks with the hope of getting tall. Neither my height increased nor my health improved. Cold drinks and sweet candies gave me calories. Instead, destroyed my health.
If you have so many issues, then stop buying them. They're not forcing you.
Not forcing us, it is not so easy to escape from your product. Look at this powder for mint. Once more, packet घुमाओ, पता लगाओ. Sugar is the second highest used ingredient in this product. Jams have sugar, ketchups have sugar, health drinks have sugar, juices have sugar, biscuits have sugar. Sugar is not only used for taste, it is a well thought out strategy.
What kind of strategy?
When a product has high content of sugar, it becomes difficult to stop eating the product. Sugar triggers the release of a chemical named dopamine that says to our brains, once more, once more, once more.
Order. Please follow the decorum of the court.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Do you have any evidence of your claims?
Your Honor, they claim they're baseless and they have no evidence either.
My lord, here is the evidence. Multiple research shows that sugar addiction is worse than drug addiction. That is why we can't stop eating their products and get stuck in this trap. 30 years ago, obesity was only a problem for adults. Now, 1 in 3 children are obese. We want to make an appeal today, but not to the food companies because their main motive is to make profit. Our appeal is to every parent, every child and every student. Just remember 2 things if we want a long and healthy life. First, all the energy you need is provided from nature's gift like fruits, vegetables, nuts and grains, not in their fake form. Second, whenever you buy something, packet घुमा, पता लगाओ and read the label. If you find something that is not found in the kitchen, avoid buying that food product. Your Honor, we rest our case. Now the final verdict is in your hands.
This court finds that the real problem is not just the words on the packet, but the lack of awareness in reading them. The aim is not to blame, but create awareness so that consumers can read between the lines and make healthier choices for themselves and their families. The final verdict is consumers must learn to flip the packet, read the ingredients, and decide wisely. Now, the final decision lies in your hands as you are the final consumer. This court is now adjourned.
This is called Fantastic Food Drama. Hope you have enjoyed, right? With the inspirational message. So अभी पैकेट घुमा कर ही देखना सब कुछ. All right. So let's move forward now.